count. You don't want to use like too much concentrated heat on something like this. Definitely stay away from any kind of synthetic dyes or anything like that when you're trying to clean this. So like if you have a pressurized steam cleaner, what you're going to want to do is stay, like you can see my nozzle right here. You definitely don't want to be right on top of it. You want to be a couple inches away at least, and we're just going to try to spray some detergent down into the leather and some steam, and it should remove it pretty easily. So I'm always trying to move in kind of a sweeping motion so that I'm not staying in any one place too long. There you go. So that's how we steam clean perforated leather. Just always make sure that you're not putting heat directly onto the leather for too long. You want to be always moving and make sure that you're not using too much water. You want something that dries quickly, such as steam, because if you put too much moisture down into leather, you can damage it.